Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I am going to show you where you can easily find the user manual for your Nothing Headphones 1. At first we need to open your web browser, and here in the web browser we have to search for Nothing Headphones 1 user manual. And now we have to search. Now we have to scroll down, and here, as you can see, we have the product guide, and we have to tap that. If you want to search for the official user manual, which is the paper user manual, you have it in the box with your headphones. Here, as you can see, we have to scroll down till we see our headphones, and here we have to tap read more. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye. Have a nice day.